Hi and welcome over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add an Amazon affiliate links to your website. So what I've done is I'm over in the site demo and we're on the template page. Now if you're looking at this video and you're new, then what you can do is look at other videos on the channel and it will get you to this page. And what I'm going to do is use the fitness template. So if we click on that, that will then take us over to this template. And I've changed the colors on this template, and there's not a lot that you can't change. So you can change all the different textures, all the pictures, all the blocks. And how you do that is by adding blocks. Again, there's videos on the channel that will help you. But what I've done is I've added this block here, and what we're going to do is add an image here, which is an Amazon image, and then add a link. And then what we're going to do is add a Amazon banner just here. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So first of all, we need to get the actual image we want to add here. Now, if you go over to Amazon, you can search for whatever you want, but we're obviously, because we're on the fitness template, we're going to add a gym image. Now, if you're not, if you're new and you've heard about Amazon affiliates and you would like to have a go at it, then what I would suggest you do, you need an account, but to join the program, you want to click Associate Program, click on that, fill the information in, and then you will be able to become an affiliate. Right, so, and when you've done that and you are an affiliate, then you can add this site stripe, which will come at the top of the pages, so you can find your associate ID and your tracking ID. So right, so what we're going to do first of all is add an image, and this is the image we're going to add. I've selected large. What you need to do is highlight this text here, do a right click, copy, and then go over to your website, and we're going to put the image in here. So now what we need to do is go to the cog, HTML, and then this is the HTML coding. Don't let this phase you. What you can do is use the site demo and come in here and just have a go at it. But what we've got to do is we've got to find where we're going to put the image on the actual page. So along the top we've got find more gym equipment, and then what we've got here is this text, and these this bit of code in here is basically the space between here, if you look at it like that. So let's just drop down to say there and paste, save changes, and there you go, and it's loaded, and there's your image. So that's your image in there. Now obviously it's just the image. Let's say we want to add some text underneath. So just in this example, just to show you how to add a link to the text. So what you need to do is highlight that. Now what you need obviously is the link to link it to this page. So if we go back to the Amazon page, and as you can see here, if we click on text, this is your Amazon link. If we copy that, go back over to your web page, it is highlighted, click just here, add your link in there, and that's just open that up, and we want it to open a new window, save changes, and then as you can see this is now a live link. Now the other things that you can do as well is, I'll come back to this disclosure, I'll tell you about that as well. So like we want to put now an Amazon banner link, so you could put, you know, different equipment all the way along here. Now just a little bit of a tip, as you can see I've written this in here because they're all home, but what I would do is as you can see, I've put personalized fitness 1. So if I just show you an example, so let's make that 2, go to this one, make that 3, and then go to this one, and let's make that 4. Now the reason I do this is when I've uploaded the banner image, then obviously I'll take the one off. I'll show you how that works, and then what you need to do is put a description in here. But first of all, we've got to get the code for the image to put in here. So we'll go back to our Amazon website where the codings are, and if we click on text and image, and this is the image we're going to put in, this is the HTML code. Again, highlight, copy, back to your website, and this is where we're going to put it, just here. So if we go to the cog HTML, now again, like I say, don't let this confuse you. So we've got personalized fitness 1, and if you scroll down, you'll see Home 2, Home 3, Home 4. Now, the reason I do this is you are then able to locate where you want to put your images. So if we just go on the first one, right, so at the top, go to the first one. So the first image you can see is just here. And what you're looking for is IMG, and then right down to where it says JPEG. So if you right click and paste, and then save changes, and there you go, it's added the link. Now this is live, so when your web page is live, they click on that, and then it will automatically take them straight to this page. And if anybody was to purchase this from your website, then obviously you would earn a commission. So if we just go back, so that's really basically how you add a banner image link from Amazon. That's how to add just the image, and that's how to add the text. Now, I said earlier about this disclosure. You must have a disclosure on your web page telling them that you will be making an affiliate commission if they click the link and they purchase a product. So this needs to be somewhere on your page, so they realize that you are an affiliate to Amazon. It can be put at the bottom of the page. Like I say, you could drop another block here and then just put a disclaimer in there. And there you go, really. That's just basically how to add a Amazon affiliate link to your website. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.